Mira Cos'ki.
Hala rosea ding. Isa que afo. Essa é lo que residente aqui de Arizona não alograhasi para mais que 3 décadas. No momento que ela saca pida Lego for de sua nanishi.
I have the craziest story.
Andy Norton, de 32 anos de idade, a publicar médio social com o Lego é queda pegar passina tanto anos.
Back in the 1990s, I was maybe 6 or so. I was a kid playing with my Legos, as most children in the 90s did, and I had the greatest idea to take one of those little dot Legos and I don't know, I just thought maybe I could just stick it in my nose.
Andy adrenta de pânico e nota sa com saca o Lego no momento
I was going to stick the Lego man up my nose and try to connect the piece on the top of the head, like a little hat. The Lego head popped off in my nose. At this point, I've panicked loudly and my mom came in. So she grabs a pair of tweezers and she, tilts my head back. She fishes out this Lego head.
Después de saki, Andy a seguir a recomendação de doctor para supla sua nanishi durante que estava trabalhando. E esse a sosode para tur e decadanan aqui.
And lo and behold, I blew out a Lego dot that has been in my nose for at least 26 years. And I don't know what to think of this because I have had multiple breathing issues with asthma and sleep apnea, and I'm shooketh.
E cantautor de rock Jon Bon Jovi há mérito de estar heroe no momento que ele ajuda a salvar gente mulher que tinha a intenção de cometer suicídio por de brug na Nashville, Tennessee. Vídeo publicado pelo Departamento de Polícia do Estado mostra o momento em que o legendário de rock estava caminhando riba a brug com equipo de câmera, no momento que o cantante anota que a senhora estava clara para benta sua curva forte a brug. Bon Jovi acompanhava uma pessoa que não awor identificar, a logra papi com a gente mulher e a logra convencer e desfazer a ideia de cometer suicídio. Depois que a senhora a desfazer a ideia, tawak Bon Jovi abraçou e brindou consuelo. O Departamento de Polícia de Nashville indica que a gente mulher ao hospital para receber tratamento como também uma avaliação. Joanne Becker, que estava ciego para henter sua vida, conta que esta queda em choque no momento que a gente está apontando para que está interessado para visitar outro país, sendo que não por apreciar a beleza de país. Joanne conta de sua mesma palavra que está fazendo para desfrutar de seu viagem plenamente.
I love that globe. I just adored having a way to just feel where it is I've been in the world.
India was an explosion of all of my senses. Anything I smelled, the touch, the silks and the cashmeres. I actually hiked in the Simeon Mountains. I couldn't believe how spectacular it was. Some of the fragrances were just unbelievable. Eucalyptus, jasmine. Oh my God, it smelled so fabulous. I am Joanne Becker. I was born blind. I have traveled to, I believe, 56 countries at this point, but it's not enough. And I want to go more places. And the only thing that has stopped me is often people do not want a blind person joining their tour. I love to get access to maps. It does require several volumes of Braille in my case, because I've traveled to so many different places. When my husband was alive, we traveled together, and I traveled with him. There was a moment when I just thought to myself, if I can't give up experiencing different places to visit in the world, I can't give it up. So I just have to figure out ways in which to do it by myself. Where is my phone? Hey Siri, where are you?
I'm here.
No, that's the wrong theory.
There are definitely challenges.
What is the address for the Museum of Fine Arts in Boston?
The address for Museum of Fine Arts is 465 Huntington Ave.
Even if it's been a trial trying to do it, it's worth it.
So this room is filled with 5 big white marble sculptures.
Got her arm. It's like she's kind of bent over and obviously concentrating, so it's not joy and bliss, and it's like she's focused, I think. She's trying to listen, she's trying to attend to something.
I'll also tell you, Joanne, this is Nadia, the blind girl of Pompeii.
What? My blind sister, are you kidding me? What, seriously, she's supposed to be blind? That's amazing, oh my gosh. I would have not known that she was blind, but I love that she is. It's perfect. People are always surprised that somebody blind wants to travel, and so people will often ask me, well, why do you care if you're going to a different country? And that question always shocks me. I can't see, but I can certainly hear, think, feel, taste. I'm an ordinary person that wants to travel, and I don't know when I'll ever stop traveling.
Pa Mira Cos'ki amita Aldric Werleman.
Mira Cos'ki. Mira Cos'ki. Mira Cos'ki.